Welcome to Mall of the Emirates, one of Dubai's premier shopping and entertainment destinations. With over 630 retail outlets, including world-renowned brands and exclusive boutiques, the mall offers a truly unforgettable shopping experience. As your tour guide, I'll take you through the highlights of this expansive shopping paradise. First and foremost, you cannot miss the iconic Ski Dubai, an indoor ski resort right in the heart of the desert city. Whether you're a seasoned skier or a novice, you can enjoy skiing, snowboarding, and tobogganing in this winter wonderland. Next, we have the Fashion District, home to the latest haute couture, trendy streetwear, and everything in between. From luxury brands to high street fashion, you'll find it all here. Nearby, the jewelry court sparkles with dazzling gems and exquisite accessories. For tech enthusiasts, the electronics zone is a must-visit. Discover the latest gadgets, smart devices, and cutting-edge electronics from top global brands. As you continue exploring, indulge your taste buds in the vast array of dining options. From international cuisine to local delights, there's something to satisfy every palate. The mall's restaurants offer a mix of fine dining experiences and casual eateries, ensuring you won't go hungry during your visit. For entertainment, visit the VOX Cinemas, an upscale movie theater that combines luxurious seating with state-of-the-art audio-visual technology. Additionally, the Magic Planet Entertainment Center offers a fun-filled experience for families with its arcade games, rides, and attractions. To add to your overall experience, the mall regularly hosts exciting events, live performances, and fashion shows, making each visit unique and enjoyable. Finally, don't forget to capture memories at various picturesque spots throughout the mall, such as the awe-inspiring Dubai Fountain and the breathtaking indoor waterfall. In conclusion, the Mall of the Emirates is more than just a shopping destination, it's an immersive experience that offers luxury, entertainment, and excitement all under one roof. So, whether you're a shopaholic, a foodie, or just seeking entertainment, this mall is a must-visit when you're in Dubai. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Tour with Pour.